Okay, team. Jermaine again with Jamrock Mechanical LLC. This is give you a full view. This is a package unit. We're gonna do PM on the package unit for the customer. This have multiple one condenser, multiple condenser fan motors. We have high voltage coming in, going into a block, and then all the condenser wires are connected here, and each leg to the condenser, and then you have the blower motor, and then that's a housing right there with a belt. So we're gonna check the amperage on each legs for that motor, and then here you have a compressor on one side, stage 1, stage 2 compressor is on the other side. Here's the control panel where you have the high voltage and low voltage coming in. The high voltage is going into each contactor, and low voltage is what's controlling each component. So down here you have a board that you connect your regular thermostat wires to, going on the inside. We have a thermostat, or sometimes I can put a control EMS system like on your building to monitor whether the unit is up or down, or if it's doing what it's supposed to. But this is a regular package unit, new filters on the inside and everything. So what we do, we just put this system into test. We jumper the low voltage. We have red, yellow, and green for the fan. We can jumper stage 1, stage 2 with the fan to at least get it in cooling. So for heating, you're gonna jumper red and the W, or the white wire, and that will turn on the heat. So as you can see here on the nameplate, these compressors are 3-phase, and then it shows like the running load amps and the lock rotor amps. So it's supposed to be operating within 14.7. That's for the running load, but normally it's gonna be below that. So once that compressor is locked up or something and it's pulling lock rotor, it's gonna maybe trip the whole unit, and maybe the compressor is gonna be bad at that point, or because these compressors, you can't really put no hard start kit or nothing on it. The outdoor motor, they're single phase, but it's still 460, so it's high voltage, and it's 0.9 amps per fan, not too much. The indoor is a 3-phase motor, and the amperage on that would be like 8.6. So when we're doing the PM, we double check the amperage going through each wire, going to each component, to make sure everything is within specs. We check all of that stuff, check the temperature going on the inside, make sure we at least have a 20 degrees delta T between the indoor and the outdoor temperature, and then that's it. So there's some capacitors here, because those are single phase motor for the condenser. These are dual cap, so we need to check the capacitor, make sure they are still reading 7.5 microfarad, and verify the belt is good. If we need to change it, we change it. So that's a basic package unit that you do a PM on. So you check high voltage, make sure everything is tight on the connections for the contactors, and then make sure that all the connections not rubbing, and everything is tight. The amp draws, voltage, and you check the bearings to make sure you don't have any play. All right, thanks for watching.